Hello guys, I found a market a few months back that when I first started that I got in with the insurance adjuster and all that on a boathouse. He got damage from Harvey, and so I met with the adjuster and he couldn't believe that he found that the homeowners found somebody that was willing to work to take on a boathouse. Most of the time boathouses aren't any different than any other house. I know that going in. So I've already done one door. Like I said, it can be done. Don't let these guys, if you do live on a boathouse, I know there's a select few of y'all, but if you do, don't let them tell you you can't be done. This is one of the doors I've already done. So I already trimmed it out on the upper side with some PVC brick mold, and I got a threshold support. I'm about to put a storm door on here. Yeah, that's right, a storm door from Lowe's, because Larson's awesome. And then there you go. This is a regular residential door. Nothing different than anything else that most homes go into, except for it being an outswing door. That is actually a regular in-swing that I just had it when I had the factory cut it down to make it fit, because it is a different height than most homes. But other than that, we're getting ready to set two more doors. They're up here in the front, and this is where the damage came from Harvey. The original install was done improperly. It had no silicone on the bottom, which we're about to do. As you see, we gave him a new sill plate. I don't know if you actually saw that, but we gave him a new sill plate and all that. That way, and it's treated. If you do live on a boathouse, definitely be cognitive that they build them just like a regular home, except for the aluminum pan. Everything else is non-treated lumber. Everything else is really not geared for water, besides your external, fiberglass external metal. But other than that, we are doing boathouses. So if you or your friends, or you have somebody that don't know or have a contractor to do boathouses, reach out to me. I've already worked with Therma-Tru vendors and Huttig to be cognitive of when I do send over boathouses and stuff like that. So they're all on board. Factory's all on board on what what are differences and what the nuances of what boathouses are. So I love working on the water. So like I said, if any of your friends or anything like that has boathouses, or you have one, or you need that kind of boat maintenance, give me a call. We will definitely come look at it. I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks.